How to set password on Netflix profiles. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can set password on Netflix profiles, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically set password on Netflix profiles, let's say when you open the Netflix app, these profiles are certainly locked as you can see, but the locking steps cannot be done from using the app. You have to do it from your browser. So go to netflix.com and log into your account. Tap the three lines option from the top left and go to this option right here that says account. Once you go to account, you can just scroll down here and then just look for the profile that you want to lock and then just tap on this icon. Now you can see the profile lock option, so tap the change button. Then first of all, make sure to enter your current Netflix account password to confirm the changes and tap on continue. Then here you'll find this box that says require a PIN to access this profile. All you have to do is check that, and then over here just enter the PIN that you want to use and then tap the save option, and then you would have successfully set a password on your Netflix profiles. This way you can set password on Netflix profiles. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.